This week's project of the week is Brown Dog Gadgets Paper Circuit T-Rex. For this project, you'll need the template, scissors, conductive maker tape, a jumbo LED, some glue or tape, one CR2032 battery, and a binder clip. The first step is to cut out the dinosaur template. You can do this by tracing it onto colored paper or copying it onto colored paper. In this next step, you'll make a tiny slit at the eyeball where your LED light bulb will go. Your LED light bulb has two legs. One is slightly longer than the other. You want to stick the longer leg through the slit so there is one leg on either side of the paper. For this next step, you'll need your conductive tape. You're going to separate the sticky back from the conductive tape and lay it down on the front side of the LED leg, going downward as shown in the video. Make sure to press it down and cut it off at the correct length so that the leg of the LED is completely covered with the tape. Your next step is to take more conductive tape. Start this from the arm of the T-Rex and wrap it around to the back side to the center of the body of the T-Rex. Finally, you'll use the conductive tape to attach the leg coming on the back side of the LED light down to match up with the piece that you just placed from the arm of the T-Rex. You want to make sure that the leg of the LED light is covered and that the two pieces touch. In this next step, you'll take the battery and fold over the arm of the T-Rex to allow the conductive pieces of tape to touch. This should light up your LED light. If it does not, flip the battery over and try again. Your next step is to use the binder clip to hold the battery in place. If your LED light still does not light up, make sure that the tape is touching the battery on each side, or make sure that one piece of tape is not touching both sides of the battery. This should allow your LED light to light up the eyeball of your T-Rex. The final step is to add spikes and teeth to your T-Rex, and you have a fun new playmate. If you have any questions about this product or many others, please visit our website at www.firstmakerspace.com.